we're in Canary Wharf today. This is the tall buildings, as you can see. There's big bags there, so I haven't been in here for a while, so I can see HSBC, City Bank there. I think Credit Suisse is here, isn't it? Somewhere. And you've got a nice ice cream van, and you've got the shopping centre here. That looks like a big bank there too. So let's walk on. Look at that architecture. Amazing. We'll walk down. Doesn't this feel like New York? But this is actually in Canary Wharf in London. So there you go, that's the proof. Canary Wharf in London, and we're going to stop by